Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ollie here from CryptoVest.com. Today is the 21st of September and we're going to be looking at Stellar Lumens trading against Bitcoin right now over 4-hour candles. A really interesting last 24 hours. The crypto market has just gained another 18 billion. We're back over the $200 billion mark and we're looking pretty strong. There's a great battle going on between Ripple and Stellar at the moment for who is going to be the top cross-border payment system. At the moment, Ripple's kind of leading the way. It's up another 41% at the moment against the US dollar. It's holding at around 46 cents. It's corrected down from, I think it peaked at around 48 cents late last night. So it's just around that sort of 50-cent mark. But it's looking really, really promising. That obviously the X-Rapid news that came out in the CNBC interview a few days ago has really generated a lot of hype for the asset. And right now, Stellar's really stepping up as well. So Circle Invest, which was a blockchain venture firm backed by Goldman Sachs, there's Everbright, Credit East, some really big financial names were backing this. Has now added 4 new crypto assets to its platform. And among those, so I think there's Quantum, EOS, OX Protocol, and Stellar. So that's just had a huge, just generated a load of hype for this asset. And right now, you can see that we're still tracking nicely inside this bullish pattern with decreasingly lower highs and increasing lows. We're kind of reaching this pinch point, and very, very recently, so in the last day, we've actually spiked all the way from the bottom, so somewhere around here, and we've just hit the top of this downtrending resistance for the 4th time now. So it's a really interesting time because we're now at this kind of crucial point where if candles start to break and hold above this line, maybe we can then start breaking out this pattern, and who knows, we may start to see a new all-time high soon. Alternatively, we could bounce off the resistance, find support again, and then maybe in a second and another movement actually break out again, or we could actually break bearish from this. But right now, sentiment is really good. A lot of people are excited. It's a lot of money's just moved into the market, and as you can see, we've almost got this golden crossover again on between the 50 and 200 EMA lines. So that I think they're really, really close right now. Actually, let's take a closer look. So, in fact, we've actually just crossed over. So, a really good sign right now that we could actually be breaking through right now. So let's have a look at some targets. So we're kind of following the Fibonacci levels quite strongly, actually, particularly this 0.618 fib level. You can see that the asset found support here, resistance. So right now that will probably be our first price target. A 0.5 held us down briefly throughout sort of June and then a little bit in the end of July. So maybe we might find a little bit of resistance at the 0.5 fib level, and that sits at the 3,962 sats mark. But it's looking like this 0.618 will be a much stronger target, a better bull target for us to hit, and that'll be at 4,401 sats. But who knows, from there we could see maybe a little bit of pullback before pushing on to the 0.786, and this is our kind of main real top target. If we can really see some strong momentum pick up, and I mean this would take maybe, well, it's hard to say really, but this could take anywhere from a few weeks to a few days, but this would see another 33% gain from where we are right now, and that would be a hugely promising sign because we have this sort of double bottom forming on the base support here, or triple bottom, sorry, really, although we fell through here back in March. So we'd have this double bottom here that would really push on, and who knows, this would be a really nice gain at 5,000 sats here. Alternatively, if bears sort of suddenly step up their game and force us back down and we break through this base support for whatever reason, we'd probably find support around this 26,000 sats mark. There might be a throwback as bulls try and push back into this pattern, so we might find resistance at around 2,994 sats, and then from there we'd expect a bearish continuation down to the 0% Fibonacci level at 2,100 sats dead. So an interesting time, really, really interesting, guys. So keep an eye out for this one. Hopefully the golden crossover can continue. We'll see increased momentum, more buyers enter this market, and maybe this can be the Q3 pump that we've all been waiting for. But for the full TA, guys, check out CryptoVest.com, and the link will be in the description. And yeah, please like and subscribe. Thank you.